Welcome back to Module 1.9. In this lecture video, I'm going to show you, excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm going to show you how to find all the factors of a composite number. All right, so factors of a composite number. It's always going to be one in itself and each prime factors, and the products formed by all the combinations of prime factors, even including the repeated factors. So basically, this three things are the basic breakdown of what makes up the composite numbers. All right. So this is very interesting. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic, it says every composite number has exactly one prime factorization. So what that means is, since we haven't talked about prime factorization, it's kind of hard to understand. Prime factorization is basically using prime numbers to break down any composite number. So for example, if I have a 6, 6 is 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. Well, since 2 and 3 are both prime numbers, okay, so it only has one prime factorization. Prime factorization, if you think back, maybe it's been a long time ago, is breaking down the number using prime numbers. So you only have one form of prime factorization for every composite number you have. All right. Now that does not mean, some bigger numbers, bigger composite numbers we cannot use. We can also use combination of prime numbers. Okay, but as far as breaking it down, as far as prime factorization wise, what are the prime numbers makes your composite number? There's only exactly one form of that. All right, which I will show you in the next video. So this is finding all the factors. Okay, this lecture video is about finding all the factors. So this particular problem says, for the following two numbers, find two factors of the first number. So factors of the first factors of the first number, that means the 48. What times what is 48? Such that their product is the first number and their sum is the second number. So in other words, it's asking, okay, what times what is 48? And those two numbers also going to add up to be 19. So the way we find all the factors is started with 1. 1 times 48. After 1, you try 2. 2 going to 48. Most of y'all can look at it and tell that's 24 times. After 4, you try with 3. By divisibility by 3, 4 plus 8 is 12. 3 can go into 12. 3 can go into 48. So let's give a try right here. 48 and the 3. 3 go into 4 one time. That's 1. Bring down the 8. 3 go into 18. 6 times. So that's 3 times 16. All right, try with 4. You kind of know 4 will go into it because 4 going to 4 one time. 4 going to 8 two times. After 4, you try 5. 5 cannot go into number, it's in the 8. So you try 6. By multiplication table, you know 6 times 8 is 48. After 6, you try 7. 7 times nothing is 48. So after 7, you try 8. Well, since I already got 8, that means this is the bottom, okay, of my set. So all the factor makes 48 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 42. Now, which set, say they're all multiplied together equal to 48, but which set will give me the sum of 19? And the answer will be 3 times 16. So my answer to this problem, find those two numbers whose product is 48 and the sum is 19. So my answer got to be 3 and 16. Okay, that's how we do this one. All right, let's try another one real quick. Excuse me. All right, 55 and 16. What times what is 55 and has a sum of 16? So for 55, I'm going to start you with 1 times 55. After 1, you try 2. 2 cannot go into number ends with a 5. What about 3? Well, because 3 does times somebody ends with a 5. Right? 3 times 5 is 15, so that ends with a 5. So that's what the try, 3 go into 5 one time. Subtract that's 2, bring down the 5. 3 cannot go into 25 evenly, so 3 does not work. Plus, if you think about divisible by 3, 5 plus 5 is not divisible by 3, so 3 cannot go into a 4. 4 not going to work. 4 times nobody ends with a 5. So the next one is 5. 5 times what? 11 is 55. So the one after 5 you can try is 7, because 7 times 5 does end with a 5. But 7 times 7 still cannot go into 55, because 7 times 8 is 56, which is right over it. So basically after the 5, it got to be 11. And you can kind of see it, right? 5 and 11 has a sum of 16. So my two numbers are 5 and 11. Product of 55, sum of 16. All right. So in this lecture video, I quickly show you how to find all the factors of a composite number. Thank you for watching.